All done. So it's a good job.
Hold up just a minute.
They sent an ambulance.
Looking for some help.
I'm not gonna wear any.
Just to
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is a morning routine for a mum of 3 in the week. This is a Monday morning. This is very rare that I wake up early and actually wash my hair, but it desperately needed it this day. I could not go another day. And then I am getting ready and just doing Hope a little breakfast. She also wanted a cup of tea. There's me necking my coffee, popping her a vitamin on. The cat thought it was his breakfast, but it's ladies first, so Hope has hers first. A little cuddle. She watches a bit of TV while I go and get ready, obviously feeding his highness, and then I'm going to go and get ready. I just want to say that not every morning is the same and everyone is different, so I always like watching these because I think it's interesting to see how other people start their days with kids and without kids, and I wanted to keep it as realistic as I possibly could. Yeah, I'm going to crack on and put my makeup on and just try and make myself feel a bit more alive. The lighting is terrible in this bathroom though. I always worry when I'm on the school run whether I look yellow or orange because of the lighting difference. My makeup usually takes only about 5 or 10 minutes depending on how rushed I am. And then I'm ironing her clothes. I should have done this the night before and I was so annoyed at myself as well because it just takes extra time and it's another thing to do. So annoyed at myself for that, but we're just going to crack on. Also putting some lemon slices in her bottle because we ran out of squash. Totally forgot my boots were covered in mud. These are what I usually wear on the school run. And then my eldest is leaving for college. So
My hair is still. Looks like it's raining. Looks like it's raining. I use it too?
No, 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 no.
What do you mean? No, 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 no.
Just leave it there, please.
Okay.
It hurts my chest if you do it all.
I look very
Old.
old. Phew. Yes. Brush teeth. Yes.
Yeah.
Get dressed. Do hair. Socks and shoes. You can do. All done. We have now gone past. So it's a good job I do put that 10 minutes forward. Bag. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Mum, I'm trying to get it.
What are you doing? Climbing in the front. We are in fact early.
I told you.
I know, and it's raining, so at least I get to put my hood up and hide my not so very nicely done hair.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Did you?
I said I actually did.
The school run was a success. Oh, look who's calling me. Can you see? It's Ria. Hold on. Answer it. Hello.
how funny that Ria rang me as I'm vlogging. I thought that was hilarious. We had a lovely catch up and then I am back in the house and I am putting away my bed. If you're new here, this is a blow up bed that I sleep on. This is my bedroom. I gave up my master bedroom for my eldest son, and so Hope could move into his room because she was sharing with us, and now she's got her own room. Ria's got the big room. Riley's staying where he is, and this is what I do every day. I put the bed down, shove it under the chair, move the furniture around, and it's back to a front room. It works for now. I don't want to pull out bed. I think they're very uncomfortable, and this blow up one is so comfy. I'm laughing because I literally just sat down and then my HelloFresh box was delivered. I ordered this 2 nights ago because I just did not have it in me to sit there and do a meal plan and a food shop and the budget for a food shop and all of that. So I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to go pick my meals. I had the 50% off code, so it was only like £35 and I've got 20 meals in there. To me is an absolute win. And I am happy to part with my money when it costs as little as 1 takeout for a family of 5. So that is us fed from Monday to Friday, and it means that all I have to do is sort out breakfast, lunch and snack. And I do have a code for you guys that is still active, so if you want to try it out for yourself, you can get 50% off. Highly recommend them. It is just a lifesaver for me, especially this week when we've had so much going on, and you'll probably find out why at the end of this video as well, that it's just been a chaotic few weeks. But I'll leave the code for you guys in the description and in the comments. And now I'm just going to try and make my hair look a little bit less
I was
scary.
just going to leave it and not touch it today, but I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder of the camera and catching my hair, and it just looks a mess. And I also have no eyelashes. I need to order some. Yeah, but I'm not going to wear any today. I think I'm going to just have my own lashes today. I feel very boring and naked. I just remembered that Rio's girlfriend is coming round this afternoon on her lunch break. Rio's at college still. And the upstairs of the house is a complete and utter disaster. So I'm just going to rush round and clean that. And then I'll unpack my HelloFresh box because I've got to clean the fridge first.
So I got distracted as always and went for a quick speed clean upstairs and just give the bathroom a quick once over.
This is why I keep these upstairs.
Change the bin, wipe everything down. These wipes are a godsend. I just buy them from Home Bargains or wherever. They're always cheap, but they're just handy to have to clean the dirty toilet and everything else. Please excuse the wall in this bathroom. I know one of you guys asked for the paint colour. I am trying to find it.
That is good enough for me.
And I will let you guys know, but I would not recommend painting in the matte one. I would go for wipeable because it is a pain to clean that wall. It just looks and horrible, and I am going to repaint it soon. As the stairs as well, and as you can see, this is a pretty realistic version of how I normally clean. Something in my hand or other, there's mess all around me still and clutter, but I am trying to keep it clean. That is good enough for me today.
I'm finished cleaning. It's done. I was going to clean out the fridge and the freezer so I could put everything away nice and neatly, but I think I'm going to have to leave in a minute. I'm just waiting for her to see what they've said. Well, I actually have a heart monitor on at the minute, attached. Can you see? Yeah, I've had to have it on for 3 days and it's been a pain in my backside, but hopefully they'll be able to pick something up from my heart and see. I've had to have a scan and all sorts, and yeah, it's a pain, but right, let's get this put away.
Stay alert, baby, it's a crime. Lesson learned when you're on my mind.
Hello. I am on the school run, and it's I don't even know how many days after. The video was cut short because I ended up having to take my mum to hospital. She was having chest pain and she blacked out a week before as well, so it was just not good. Like, they sent an ambulance, but I got there before the ambulance, and then I said I'll take her to hospital because she was okay but she needed checking out. So we went there. It took all day, but they were quite thorough. So yeah, just to pop on here before I pick the little one up and say thank you guys so much for all your support and for letting me be me on this channel as well, because it's really hard to put yourself out there sometimes. Some of the comments I get, and they're vile. Like, some people are so mean online, so I really do appreciate the ones that are kind and good, and you understand that I'm just a human, just a mom doing my best and trying to help you guys see that you're not alone in life. If you're struggling, if it's hard, being a mom is hard, being a woman is hard. It's also a privilege that I do not take for granted. But yeah, life happens, and like I said, I had to take my mum to the hospital and be there for her, which again is the privilege that I have my mum still here, because she's the last parent standing. I lost my dad and my stepdad and my nan, all in a big few chunks of years. So yeah, she's very important. We need to keep her alive, keep her going. She can't leave me yet. So yeah. But yeah, she's okay. But I took her to hospital, and I was there all day until I think about 4:30, 5 o'clock. So Aunt had to pick Hope up from school. I didn't even cook dinner, or like, I was going to prep dinner, clean the fridge, put the HelloFresh away. The HelloFresh box, it wasn't an ad. I bought that with my own money because I have had such a crazy last couple of weeks. I don't know if I showed you guys that I had at the time, I'm not wearing it now, but I had a heart monitor on it as well, and I want to sort of update you guys and things like that. But yeah, I had to wear a heart monitor for 3 days just to see if they can pick up anything. I've had a heart scan and other things, so they are trying. It's took them 6 months, but they are trying to see what's going on, because I had quite a few episodes over Christmas, and yeah, my health's not been amazing. So that's why you'll see me when I'm good, but when I'm not good, I am resting and just surviving basically. But I wanted to come on here and just right, I need to go and pick Hope up, and I just wanted to come on the end of here and say I'm sorry that the video was cut short, but I'm leaving it as it is because it's real life. Like, things don't always happen perfectly, life doesn't go to plan, and we have to embrace it. And I'm glad that you guys let me be myself, and I'm not going to beat myself up for not producing a perfect morning routine, because I don't think it exists. It exists? I can't even talk properly. I don't think it exists. So that's my realistic morning routine for a mum of 3, living life, just getting by. But yeah. Oh, and also there is a lot of viewers that are not subscribed to the channel, and it's completely free to do so. You don't have to, but I would love for you to join the family over here, because we have such a positive community, and I'm really proud of my subscribers. I think I have the best subscribers on YouTube. You're all really sweet and supportive, and yeah, it's a really nice place to be, our little corner of the internet. So don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.